Hello, my name is Sana Saikali. In this video, we will learn how to embed GeoGebra graph settings in Canvas modules, where students can access the settings, change them. When they exit and come back, the original setup is unchanged. We will start by graphing a curve revolving around the axis to create surface areas, then embed the settings in Canvas modules. We will start by graphing x squared plus 1 on the interval from 1 to 2. And this will give us the following curve. I would like to change the color so it's not the same color as one of the axes. Let me choose this color. All right. So this is our curve. Now we want to revolve the curve. So we want a slider from 0 to 2 pi to get a full revolution. Now to get the surface area, we want the surface command and choose curve angle line. Our curve here is F, the angle K, and line. We want to revolve the curve around the x-axis. All right. So as we see, we have created the surface area by revolving the curve around the x-axis. Let's create one more command. We want to revolve around the y-axis as well. So we'll choose the surface command again. Again, our function is F, K is the angle, and now we want to revolve around the y-axis. Let's turn off this so we can see that the surface area revolve. All right, so this is the surface area created by revolving the curve around the y-axis. Now we want to take the settings and embed in Canvas modules. We want to go to the top left here and click choose share. We want to choose embed. And now we go to Canvas modules. I already created Canvas modules, and this is a sample created for this video specifically because I already have one published for students earlier in the semester. What you want to do is either create a module within previous module or create it separately. You want to create a page in modules. Then when you create the modules like I did here, you click on it. Then you press edit. You go to the embed, click on that, right click, paste, and submit. Now you can see that this is what we created in Geogebra. We save. When students want to change a function or an interval, they can click here. Let's say they want the interval now is from 0 to pi. And our function is sine x. You press enter. You will see that the surface area created by rotating the curve around the y-axis is this surface area. Also, so let's see the surface area by rotating the curve around the x-axis. So this is what we see. All right. Actually, let me remove the plane. So we can see the whole. All right, so now when students exit this setting, let's exit, go to modules, leave. When students come back to the module, they should have the original setup, which is the function x squared plus 1 on the interval 1 to 2, which what we have here exactly. All right, let me just show you quickly what we did in class last week. We were studying conic sections. We created this setup in Geogebra. And I left it at this plane, intersecting the cones, creating circles. And what I did is I created sample planes for students to try and create other conic sections. I did not turn these on because this will be crowded if I do. What I recommended the students to do is to type in the function, the planes from here, so they can view different conic sections. So let's say if I type in x plus 2 and enter, we'll see that we have this parabola showing. Now, if we change the coefficient of x to be 0.6, we're creating ellipses. As well, if they change the coefficient to be 7, let's say, they could be different values. They can enter any values they want, but I just left these samples for them, and they create hyperbolas. All right. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.